Hi everyone, right, I've got the boot kit in cream. So if you want one, you'll have to go grab it. But I'm going to share that with you. You get your bag of wadding to fill the boot. I haven't put tons and tons in because these are really soft like cushion boots. Okay, but you've got plenty there. What I've done is use the crushed velvet in cream. It's beautiful, it's lovely and soft. Nice big piece there, and you probably get some flowers out afterwards as well. So I'm just going to pop it back in the bag as I do it, so I don't have to pack it later. I'm tired, I've had enough, I've been at it all day again. Right, I've added in some wide, 2-inch wide, super soft lace. That's the new one. On top of that, now I'm going to have to show you on the boot to give you some ideas. For those of you who want ideas, this is the shape of the boot when you cut it out. Now, if you cut these individually, this bit, like that, you can put them there as though they're the tabs, what the buttons go on. See? And what I've done is you've got 6 of that one, and then you have 6 of those if you want to change your mind and you don't want them as long. You just want the smaller ones. So they just go along there. And they look fantastic when you've got your button on. So that's those. I've put in a picture, obviously, because you can do that. Cut it in an oval, do your frill around, have it where you want. You know what I mean? So that's one of our pictures. So, like I said, these are out. We own these, so please don't copy them or pass them on, sell them or whatever, because, you know, I'm hoping that my followers do the right thing, and I'm sure they will. This one, I've put 2 meters in because I thought the other thing you can do is along the edge there, you can go tip to toe and you can add that. And if you want to do it both sides, I only generally do a boot and do all one side. You're not going to see it if it's like a cushion and it's sat on a chair at the back, so I don't believe in wasting. So, but I've put 2 in case you wanted to, but 1 meter will do both sides. So you could do it like that, like a trim, or you can use the trim to go around the edge, because when you've put the panel in here, this bit sits here, see? So the boot sews together like that, but it's open at the top only. You stuff it with the wadding, and then you slip that in there and you stitch around it, okay? And then you can put your trim around the edging like that if you want to. So that's that one. I've added in 1 rosette in case you want to make a handmade flower. You might not want to put the picture on. If you want to do a flower, handmade flower there, nice ruffle. Because I think cream, this is all cream. Shades of cream. Oh God, I just love a cream kit. And I've added some, they're like a satin flower. And the bunches, I'll show you them. I love them. I work with these a lot. See, but now you can take them apart and use these individually, whatever you want to do with them. I mean, you could put, there's enough in there, there's 3 lots of 3, that you could use the smaller ones to go up the edging of that and put the button on, a pearl or something. So you've got 3 lots of those. Sorry, I meant to put these in the bag. So that's that one, the picture. Now in this one, I've given you some ribbon if you want to do the ruffle ribbon flower, or you want to do the around the picture, if you're cutting it round or oval. I've given you some chenille, a metre of chenille. They're probably over a metre. And then this tiny wee trim. So if you are doing the picture, you could put that on first around the back. Oh, where's that? Look. So if you did this first and put that on, then you could do that one in on the inside, and then you could do that around the edge of the boot or something like that. So yeah, you've got that. I've given you 12 mini doilies because, again, to make it look good, I'm just sharing it with you. You can either, because you don't have to use them all on your boots, but think outside the box. Here's your doily. You can cut that in half and do it So it'd be like that. You know, like the old Victorian style. And then you can put your button on here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. But you've 12 of those. Or you could just do it like that. It's completely up to you. See? Once you get going and you'll start looking and you'll see lots of different ways, you know, that you can do things. So that's that particular one. The doilies. In this bag, again, it's another super soft wide trim. Because I just thought you could double layer the top of the boot. You know, go onto the channel. Well, you're watching this on the channel. Click on my videos and just put boot, and all the boots I've ever done will come up, and there's some beauties there. Really, really. I'm not blowing me up. Well, I am. Well, I don't often say things about my own stuff. Sometimes. But they're beautiful. They turned out a lot better than I expected. There's your button, like a flat back pearl button. So you've got 12 of those. I've also put in the large teardrop. So if you're doing the flower, do you remember, I haven't got a flower here, but if you do you remember here, I usually put 1 or 3 pearls. So just say that's the flower, and I put 3 there and some tassel or whatever. So I've put those in for you. Some the luxury beaded string. I've then put that trim in for you, and I've put the tassel in. Now there's enough of the tassel to make 2 tassels, the long ones, so you can have one at the front, hanging off the front of the boot down, like you'll see on the pictures of the ones I've already done, or you can have one off the back, okay, or just do one big one. It's completely up to you. Right, so that's that one. In this one we've got a big bow, so if you want to put a big bow on the back or at the front or across the foot, it's completely up to you. 4 small ones, some acrylic leaves. I've given you one of those for the centre of your flower if that's what you want to do. We've got one of those, got a splash of colour in, but you can always take the colour ones off and do your own. We've got one of those for you. 6 of those. Oh look, you've got a huge cabochon, and I just thought you could put that over the picture and then do your flower, so make that as your flower centre. So there's that one. 6 of the cream flower buttons, the bell flower, oh god, what do they call it? Oh, you lot will shout at me, but I know what I mean. A cluster. So you have 2 different flower centres to choose from. A little bow or butterfly thing, which you could put, if you're putting your tassel here, and then you could pop that on there, maybe inside a bit of ruffled ribbon. I think that's it in that one. There's the picture. I'm going to pop that down there. And then you've got, obviously, the boot. Now, I have written on it, jennings644 Boutique copyright. We do, this is ours. It's nobody else's, it's ours. And I would appreciate it. That is flat. It's the way I've laid it on there. But if you put it like that, so that's the base. It is a flat. It's not wonky. It's the way I've drawn it. If you look. If it was laid properly, it would be like that. It's perfectly normal. But anyway, like I say, and this is the section that goes in the top of it there. But, you know, you can use this pattern as many times as you want. You can't sell this pattern on. And you, I mean, obviously, if you make something from this, but this is the actual pattern. You can't sell the pattern on. But you can make something and then sell it. That's fine. Just so people know, newbies and that, the rules and regulations of what you can and can't do, and the sooner we all learn them, the better. But I do have a really, really good crowd on my channel. I know we've had a couple of sneaky ones, but I do catch them. But hey ho, you know, if you want to use it, you can use it as many times as you want. You can make an item and you can sell the item, but you can't sell the pattern. Okay. That's it. That is the kit. I hope you enjoy that. I have to say, this turned out gorgeous. I'm thrilled to death with it. I love the way this ribbon colours. As you can see, it bled into it and that. Fantastic. That could have been a little bit better, but you know, I were rushing. These tutorials take time to do, and they take it out of you. But yeah, I love that. So I was chuffed to show you that one. The box, of course, has sold. This box has sold. There's a nice little surprise inside for you. And I have to tell you, I've even, look at this. There's all your kit in there, all your goodies. And all I've done is just a little bit of glue, so you probably can pull that apart and reuse the ribbon. But, and I've put some extra goodies in for you that you don't know about, that's not shown on the kit. And that has sold. So thank you to the lady. I can get more of these boxes. I don't have them in. The only other ones we do have in, because somebody asked if we've got any more, because them boxes weren't cheap. These boxes were £3.45 on their own. Sorry, not £3.45. I'm thinking of postage. £3.99 on their own. And I'm thinking, Anyway, so these are the other boxes that we have, and you get 3. And I think they're £4.50, because you know it's all gone up, as you know. But with we've got 4 of these in stock at the moment. What else have we got? There's no round ones left, they've sold out. We do have the key holder. We've only got 2 of those left in stock. And the chest, you know, the big wooden chest, we've only got 2 of those left in stock. I think there's a candlestick, maybe. And probably a couple of other bits in wood. Just look at paper mache or wood. Type that in the description. When you're searching on the website, just type in the words. You know, if there's 2 or 3 words that, like, instead of doing just a flower, do rose, silk flower, rolled ribbon flower. You've got different words and it'll all come up what we do. But there's well over 1,200 items in stock at the moment. Well over. I'm absolutely thrilled about it, to be honest. Oh, I forgot to put you in, you silly hole. Get in there. Yeah. I will be doing some more of these boot kits, because you're getting an awful lot, and I did them as cheaply as I could. You can buy this kit, you can buy this pattern on the shop. Oh, and I'll tell you something else I want to show you. I know I've asked people to join the channel. It's £2.99 a month. It's basically, that is just to support the channel and for me to be able to keep, you know, everything going and that. But I did these, so I've only got 10 at the moment. And I've chosen a handmade flower that I made, so it's not anybody else's, and Jennings644 Boutique, and on the reverse we have Jennings644 Boutique, and they're www.jenningscreationsboutique.com. because this is our brand name, Jennings644 Boutique. This is our shop, and that's what sort of things we do. I hope you can see that. So it's a bookmark. Unfortunately our books have sold out, so I'm thrilled. I'm going to be ordering some more. I don't know what to say to people who bought them apart from thank you so much, because all the prices have gone up and they've shot up. The warehouse is ridiculous now. I've had to think of other things to try and bring in a little bit more income to be able to keep everything afloat. So I just thought a nice little bookmark, why not? And I'm going to be making, I had these professionally done, but they cost more than what I wanted to pay. But I have a laminator and the card, so I might be doing them myself anyway. And that way I can drop the price down a little bit. But there you go. Just buy one, please. You're supporting the channel. The other thing you can do on the channel is you can buy me a coffee. Now, I'm not into all this technology. I'm struggling as it is just to find my way around this new Zibbit store. There's all sorts I can do with it, and I'm learning as I go along. But somebody said, "Oh, Fee, you need to get them, you know, get yourself in with what everybody else is doing, like buy me a coffee." And I went, "I don't drink coffee anymore." So, and she went, "Don't be so bloody stupid." She went, "Technology, it's all the age now, and you just put up this thing." She gave me the link, and you say buy me a coffee, and so for a small amount, a one-off payment, you can buy me a coffee. So it don't go on coffee, it goes on the shop. But it's just another way of supporting us. So there's, you know, bits and pieces are going to be coming out. I'm hoping to do my own calendar. If I can get the right paperweight, you know, cardstock for the printer that I have. The problem I have is it takes so much ink to do all the pictures on canvas, because all our pictures are done on canvas, and it drinks it. It just, it's awful. And I'm thinking, my God. And the inkjets don't last as long as they used to, and I guarantee you that they don't last as long. And so I'm having to find ways and means of supporting myself. And with a little bit of help from you lot, if you do want to buy a bookmark, or you do want to buy something I make, then yeah, please do. But I do thank those that bought the book. Much appreciated. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Want the kit? Go grab it. It's probably gone by now, but there you go. Don't blame me if you were too slow. Bye bye for now.